Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix verification fail. There was a problem connecting to the server on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, let me tell you that when you try to log out or sign out your Apple ID, from here you have to enter your password, and after entering the password, here it's showing this type of error. So how can you fix it? Just simply open settings and you have to tap on general from here, and then you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to reset network setting. So from here you have to tap on reset network setting to confirm the process. This will delete all network setting returned in factory default. And after that you have to tap on settings again, and from here you have to tap on general, and again you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Again you have to tap on reset all setting, and from here you have to tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing this, what you need to do is just simply open settings again, and from here you have to tap on general, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on date and time, and from here make sure that your date and time is correct. And second thing is that you have to make sure that set automatically toggle is on. When set automatically toggle is on and your date and time is correct, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.